Welcome to the Getting Started tutorial here at Notre Dame. To get started with your ePortfolio, go to ePortfolio.nd.edu. On this website, there are many different resources available. You can log in to ePortfolio with your NetID. We have some support and resources available for frequently asked questions. And there's also a way to contact if you need help or if there's questions that you need answered. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and log into the ePortfolio system. So we click on NetID Login. This will take you to our login system where you'll enter your NetID and your password. Once that has logged you in, you'll be directed to the ePortfolio system. Once you're logged into the ePortfolio system, you'll notice a couple different sections. One, you'll have the ePortfolio section. This is any ePortfolios that you have created. And then two will be the course section. And this is any courses that you're participating in. You'll find the course that you're participating in, and you'll want to select that course. Once you select that course, you will want to go to the ePortfolios tab. And this is where you will create your first ePortfolio. The main objective is to create the ePortfolio from a template. The template has pre-built sections that will help you with the course that you are participating in. So any ePortfolio that is being created needs to be created from the template. So you will select Create ePortfolio from Template. Once that's selected, you will need to pick a name of your ePortfolio. Usually you want to pick something that reflects the course that you're participating in, or something that will allow you to understand the purpose of this ePortfolio. Once you have selected a title for your portfolio, you will want to scroll down, and under Permissions, you will want to select Private to Me. This makes your ePortfolio viewable only to you. Eventually, you can come back and change and make certain sections of your ePortfolio or your entire ePortfolio open to people that you would want to see it. You will leave Show ePortfolio in Directory checked, and we will not change any of the additional permissions. Down to tags, you will say Allow tags by all editors. And comments, you'll want to allow comments from registered users, which will be people within Notre Dame, like your professors and your advisors. And you'll also want to do not show comments until they have been approved, as checked. And then at the very bottom, you can say Create New ePortfolio. Once your ePortfolio has been created, there will be a couple things to notice to make sure that it's done correctly. First, pre-populated sections. These sections are available for you to help progress along in the template that you selected. If these sections are not available, you did not build ePortfolio within the template, you can go ahead and delete this ePortfolio and recreate a new one following the steps at the beginning of this video. Once you have done the ePortfolio within the template, you will notice that you'll have these sections pre-populated. There's also a couple other features we'd like to go over as we explore the ePortfolio and you complete your first assignment. When it comes to editing current content or new content, you always want to come to the Edit tab and select. Here's your home page, and we're going to walk through on how to edit your home page. Once any changes have been made, you will always want to save and then publish the changes. That way, anything that has been done can be seen by the professor or advisor that you're involved with in your course. Pages are all broken down into modules. You can add new modules, you can edit existing modules, and you have the freedom to collaborate and express all the different ways that you want to in the different modules that are available. We're going to redo a home page here. As you will see, this is part of finishing the first assignment. First thing we want to do is we want to select this picture. And again, you want to make sure that you're in the Edit section of this module. And we're going to replace this picture with a picture of something that would more pertain to how I want to let people know about me or introduce myself. A lot of times it'll be a picture of yourself, or it might be a picture of something that's very special to you. So I'm going to highlight this photo. I'm actually going to delete it. Once you've deleted the photo, you can add a photo of your own. You can go to Insert Media. You want to insert media from your computer. You can browse for that media. I'll open up a picture here. You can go ahead and insert that. You can select that picture and move it around a little bit and center it and put that in there. And again, this is your home page, so the picture that you put here will want to reflect who you are, what you're passionate about. And also, if you read the text below, it'll ask you to include things like your major, what you tend to do here at Notre Dame, stuff like that. So you can read this text. Once you are done with it, you can highlight it and delete it and put in what you feel that you would want on your home page there. Once your home page is complete, you'll want to save. And again, you'll also want to publish the changes. Once those changes have been published, you can go to the top tab up here and click the Publish tab and see what your home page will look like. And you can do this also for any page that you've been working on. Once you've saved the changes, once you've published the changes, you can go up here and see the Publish tab and see what it would look like and see if that the changes you're happy with those. To submit evidence for an assignment, first you'll want to make sure that your Edit tab is selected. And then you'll want to go to the top of the portfolio tools and select Submit. Once you select Submit, a box will pop open and it will list the assignments you have for the course that you're participating in. You can select more info to read more about what the steps are for the assignment. And then you also can click the assignment to submit evidence. Evidence is the pages that you've created that you want to submit so that your advisor or professor can review to see what you've submitted. So if I wanted to submit my home assignment, I would select Home and I would click Submit. On the right, if you ever see red words that say Draft, that means that you have saved changes but that you have not published those. And any changes that are saved but not published will not show up when you have submitting. So remember to always save and publish your changes so that when you submit evidence for an assignment, it will show up and can be reviewed. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to get started with ePortfolio at Notre Dame. Again, the website is eportfolio.nd.edu. On that website, you can log in, you can get additional resources. You can also contact us if any help is needed.